Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix download shortcut not working on iPhone. So I'm going to opening my shortcut app, and as you can see currently I'm using yes download shortcut and R download shortcut. So if you're having any issues with any of these download shortcut, all you have to need to solve the error, you have to delete the current download shortcut app and you have to download the latest version of the shortcut. So all you have to need, just download the shortcut. It could be R download shortcut or yes download shortcut. Once you successfully delete it, now go ahead and open a browser in your iPhone and search for the shortcut. And now you have to download the latest version of the shortcuts. So open this first website, shortcuts for iOS. And once you are in this website, just tap on download shortcut. And here you will find the latest version of the shortcut. Now all you have to need, again, add the download shortcut in your iPhone. Once the shortcut again added, now go ahead and try to download something using the shortcut and you will see the problem has been fixed. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.